Hey again, Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project. And here we're looking at the graph actually of a of x equals 50 sine x. So we've seen through the Sketchpad demo how the area kind of behaves as a function of the angle measure. And now we can see actually just the pure sine function. So I'm going to go ahead and hide this so we can see the graph a little better. And so what we want to really get students to see is just um, how this function just repeats over and over and over again. So that's the real big idea, of course, that we want students to know about sine functions. They describe periodic behavior. So there's a lot of things I want to do as far as having students discuss and pair share. So some of those things would be, for example, where should the zeros of this function be and what do they mean? Desmos will actually show us the zeros, but before I actually reveal those, I want to ask students what they think the zeros are and what they mean. So eventually we discussed that the zeros are here at 180, again at 360, 540, and basically, they would eventually say you get a zero every 180 degrees. And that would basically represent when either the angle measure that we've been looking at, theta, is 0 or it's 180 degrees. And that just keeps on repeating every 180 degrees. Other than that, we'd also want to look at the extreme values of the function and how often they occur. So, for example, we know that one of them occurs at 90 and another one occurs at 270. These are the ones we saw through the Sketchpad sketch. But I want them also to kind of predict where this next maximum value should occur, which is 450, and also what it means, and how it's different, for example, than this one here that occurs at 630 degrees. So in a way, we've kind of slipped in, the idea that angle measures can actually go on to be infinitely big if we think of them as modeling periodic functions or periodic phenomenon, because these things happen continually. So that's basically the idea of this demonstration, to get students thinking about trigonometric functions as describing periodic phenomena that can go on forever. I hope it helps. This is Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project.